Tank retest. UNDOT requires that all IBCs be tested every 30 months for leaks. This is a simple low air pressure test. David Holt, Precision IBC's plant superintendent, will demonstrate how this test is done.
The first thing we want to do is take a look at the valve and the plumbing. We want to be sure the valve is under the tank, not sticking out from under it. Check it for any possible damage. Make sure the nut is tight. If it's loose, it can leak around the valve stem. Be sure the lock is in place and operational, and close the valve. Okay, now we're ready to pressurize the tank to check it for leaks. We're going to put our test gauge on the 3-inch opening on the lid. The next thing we're going to do is check for leaks while it's under pressure. Look around the weld seam, around the bottom of the tank, the plumbing, look for any air bubbles. Then we're going to soap the weld seams. Make sure there's no bubbles coming from the weld seams. Check the bung plug, be sure it's tight, the gasket's seated, no leaks. Check over the whole tank for any visible damage. And then we just let the pressure off. DOT requires 2 closures on the tank. The valve serves as one, the shipping plug serves as a second. The shipping plug must be in place before the tank can ship with any product in it. The last step will be to describe the retest date in the bottom corner of the data plate.
UNDOT requires that all IBCs be tested for leaks every 30 months. All metal IBCs should be thickness tested every 5 years.